We have a concept as a buggy, and we took the concept exactly for this, without doors, without a roof, without a rear window, to have a complete view to the interior, to have to this lounge kind of seats, what you see, the four-seater. The other thing is, what we would like to show is, if you have a look to the proportion and the side view of the car, this will be our next smart family of the Smart Fourjoy. We are pretty close, and these both things are really important, the four-seater and the proportion and silhouette, what we are showing here with our Smart Fourjoy. Material-wise, we have the aluminium milled tritium, which is high glossy polished, and what's super nice, we have super nice details. What you see right now around with the Smart logo, you really would like to touch it. For sure, it's not production, but we really would like to focus our design DNA with our Smart tritium, which is one of the main parts for Smart. We have now a hood at the front. It's an aesthetic way, but it's just a technical way too that we had to do this for pedestrian safety. But it gives the car a kind of grown-up feeling. We have the front light without a front glass, so you really would like to touch it. We have the daylight in LED, and which is in a U form, will be the next generation of Smart. The rear lamp is inside the tritium. The tritium is going around the rear lamp, and this, our first Smart had this, and I wanted to bring it back in our Smart family. And what is typical of the rear of the Smart, we have a super nice stance. The wheels are really out, and it gives us a super nice stance. And if you look to all our cars here, which are production, this is a production thing. That's not a show car thing, that's production.
The interior, as you see, we have no door, so you have immediately an attraction of the vision to the interior. So it was really important to make a clear statement or a clear message of this show car. And for this one, the very important message was the Smart is coming with 4 seats again, and that was the main goal what we tried to achieve in this interior. That's why we decided to show the seats in very extreme sculptural way. So as you see, we did it in very sculptural way. It's very organic, but still in extremely clean way. And the sculpture, you can describe it one movement of your hand. So it's such a simple form. With the form is exaggerated with the blue line going around the shape as well as on the front seats and the back seat as well. And if we have a closer look to the front of the Smart Fourjoy, maybe you can recognize a couple of so-called DNAs of a Smart. Yeah? One of that is, for example, this hexagonal structure in the dashboard, as we played in all show cars you've seen before. So we play with hexagons coming from exterior into interior, and in dashboard again in very sculptural, a very abstract way. This form language we used in the whole car, in the middle tunnel as well. You see very simple shapes, highly aesthetically done, playing with hexagons, and then as well we integrated these two smartphones to show that we think about the connectivity in the car. And as you see on the roof, we have a Electro Skateboard. Yeah? So as I said, when you come with this Electro Smart in the city, on the point where you cannot drive further, you get out, you take your Electro Skateboard, and you can drive so-called last mile mobility. You can drive further with the Electro Skateboard. And for that purpose, to have a lot of fun with driving Electro Skateboard, we built specially made for that helmets. For that we made a special designed boot. So the guys who really like to drive Electro Skateboard in an extreme way, they like to record their driving. So they have a special camera in here. They can record their driving on the skateboard, and on the same time you can get the pictures, or the other guy still sitting in the car on the back seat can get the live view from this HD camera on the smartphone on the back seat. So that's a little bit of the story around the car, the mobility extended into the city.